Hi, we are team MetaMinersAI. We have worked on the issue of building up a VS Code ID extension for open metadata for the WeMakeDevs hackathon. Today, data engineers live in two worlds. They write SQL in VS Code, but every time they need to check a column type, find the table owner, or trace a lineage path, they switch to a browser, navigating the data catalog, find their table, and then switch back. This constant context switching breaks flow and it slows the team down. We tried to fix that. The moment the extension activates, you will see this status bar indicator. Right now it says OM connected, confirming that our VS Code instance is live linked to our open metadata server. If the server goes down or the token is invalid, this flips to OM offline with a red background. Clicking it anytime uh, opens the setting panel directly. It polls every 30 seconds and rechecks instantly whenever you change the configuration. Now, for the demo, let me write up a SQL command. Now let me hover over a table name in my SQL file. Immediately a rich markdown card appears. This is not a tooltip. This is a complete metadata summary pulled live from open metadata. You can see the table name, its owner, any governance tag, the table description, a full table schema, and a deep link that opens this exact same table in the open metadata browser. All of this is generated in real time from the API. There is zero hard coding. The extension does not wait for you to hover. It proactively scans your SQL in the background. Watch what happens when I reference a table that does not exist in open metadata. Within a second, a yellow warning squiggly appears under the table name with the message table not found in open metadata. This is the same pattern you see for TypeScript type errors or ESLint warnings, but now it is catching data catalog mismatches. And it goes further. If a table does exist but has failing data quality tests, the diagnostic escalates to a red error squiggly with the message DQ alert. This table has failing data quality tests. Your SQL file is effectively a live health dashboard for every table it references. Every diagnostic marker also comes with contextual quick fix actions. Click the quick fix button. Here it shows the three further options. Search this table in open metadata, which triggers our global search command. There would also be a view data quality tests in open metadata for the third case, as I've mentioned, which will open the DQ dashboard for that specific table directly in your browser, and also the open metadata UI, a direct jump to the table page. This bridges the gap between passive warnings in the ID and active investigation in the catalog. See that small view lineage above my SQL statement. That is a code lens injected by the extension. Let me click it. A side panel opens with an interactive lineage graph rendered using mermaid.js. Here you can see the full data flow. Raw users feeds into STG users, which feeds into DIM users. The root table, the one I click from, is highlighted with a star icon and a blue badge. This is not a static image. It is generated dynamically by querying the Open Metadata Lineage API with configurable upstream and downstream depth. Tables with no lineage shows a clean, no lineage found message instead of an error. Finally, we have a global search command accessible from the command palette. I press Ctrl Shift and P and type search table metadata and enter a fully qualified name. The extension queries the API and opens the result as a clean formatted JSON document right inside the editor, showing the FQN, the ID, the owner, description, and full column schema. This is useful when you want to inspect a table that is not in your current SQL file. Every single feature is built on the Open Metadata REST API. There is no mock data. There are no hard-coded values. This is a living bridge between the data catalog and the developer's daily workflow. Thank you.